I'm Andrea Trank, and these are a series of short videos for how you can get healthy or stay healthy if you don't have a lot of time and you don't have a lot of energy. So I thought I'd start in the kitchen because this is one of my places where I can get myself healthy. So step one is to have a refrigerator full of fresh foods, because what's going to happen is if you don't have a lot of fresh food or healthy choices in your refrigerator, you are going to choose something unhealthy. So I'm going to open up my refrigerator and grab a bunch of things and show you what I've got in there. Okie dokie. So one of the things I have is some homemade pesto I made. Pesto takes less than 5 minutes to make, and it's made of herbs, any sort of greens, and some nuts ground, and olive oil and garlic. That's it, 4 ingredients. And I have the recipe on the blog. That's one thing I have in here. So think about this. You can put pesto on literally anything. You could rub it on a piece of chicken. If you're a vegetarian, you could put it on some healthy pasta. You could put it on zoodles, where you make, you can buy those zoodles in the store. Great thing to have. Okay, the other thing I did this weekend. Now, I always keep some sort of broth in my refrigerator. All I did was, and I'm not a vegetarian, is I took bones from a chicken. I threw in carrots, I threw in onions, and I threw in celery, and I slow cooked it for several hours, strained it, and now I have a base for all sorts of things. So today I'm going to make a soup. I'm going to just quickly cook these potatoes up and whatever other vegetables I have in there and just throw it all together. And then I have a soup. So I did all of these things on a Sunday morning, and I had several meals. Now let me show you another trick. Now this is not inexpensive, but once again, I'm not a vegetarian. I have to have protein because I have Hashimoto's and I need the protein. So I have been buying, and it's been on sale lately, a pre-cooked chicken breast. All I have to do is stick it in a pan, quickly turn it over several times. I chop it up. And then I have chicken. Now they come with the sauce. I don't always use their sauces, but I'll throw pieces of that chicken in my broth to get the protein I need, as well as any sort of vegetable I can. I'm going to throw in mushrooms. I'm going to throw in green onions. I'm going to throw in parsley, cilantro. The more herbs you add to your food, the healthier it can be. So, okay, so this is just a short video. I hope this was helpful. I'm wasting electricity keeping this open. And I look forward to seeing you again soon with another super quick, healthy tip on how to stay healthy when you don't have a lot of time and you don't have a lot of energy. Bye-bye.